miraDry, a lasting solution for excessive underarm sweat. The miraDry procedure uses clinically proven technology to eliminate sweat glands in the underarm and provide a lasting solution to underarm sweat. The procedure is performed in the physician's office and is non-invasive. No incisions or cuts are involved. The miraDry system delivers electromagnetic energy to the underarm through the handpiece, which is applied in a repeating pattern on the underarm. This is done after the area has been numbed with local anesthesia. When the system is activated, vacuum suction from the handpiece stabilizes the skin and brings the sweat glands closer for treatment, protecting deeper tissue. The system then sends focused electromagnetic energy non-invasively through the skin and tissue of the underarm. The energy penetrates to the region where the sweat glands reside. At the same time, a cooling system protects the skin and keeps the heat energy at the level of the sweat glands. The sweat glands are heated and then eliminated. Since sweat glands don't grow back, results are dramatic and lasting. miraDry, a lasting solution for excessive underarm sweat.